Okay. So next ID is ICRT DIC 033, implementation of smart mirror using the Raspberry Pi. Sophia
Okay.
Banu and group. Is there ready?
So dictionary is like a list, but it's
Ma'am,
more
I
general.
have a question.
That means in a list,
Please.
the index positions have to be
For
integers.
Tanushri, ma'am.
So, but
Yeah.
in
Yes,
dictionary,
please.
the
The
indices can be almost
ultrasonic
of any
sensor
type.
you
So
have used,
that means
where will it
in
be
dictionaries,
placed on
it's
the
not like you should always have
this
them
stick?
as the integers.
You
So
can tell
here
me the range
indexes
of
can be
the
of any
sensor
type.
that you
So
have
this
used.
is the more
Okay, yeah,
general
yeah.
form.
Actually,
So you can
as
think of
I told you,
dictionary
the
as a
prototype is
mapping
not
between a set of
developed
indices,
physically. We have
okay,
used it
and a set
virtually.
of values.
The range
So
we have
you
given
have
is
two
just
things here.
10 centimeters.
So
If it is
indexes
very
are mapped onto
near,
the
then it
values.
makes sense.
So each key maps to
Okay, the
a
position
value.
of that
Can be
sensor on the
association
stick,
of key and
because
value. So you call it
10
as a key value
centimeter
pair
is
or
very less.
sometimes an item.
Means how
Also.
it will
I
So
know,
this
detect
key
the
I
value
obstacle
pair together is called
in
as an
10,
item.
10 centimeters.
As an example, so
Yeah,
now
if
we'll
it
build a
is more
dictionary.
than
Okay.
if we have to do
That
physically,
maps
then we have to
the
give more.
English
Say
words
for
onto the
example,
Spanish words.
20 to
So
25
here
centimeters, and the
English
location will
words
be
are taken
somewhere
as
in the lower
keys
middle
and
portion,
Spanish words are
not
taken
too
as the
low because we
values.
have raindrop
Now how
sensor.
do you create a
Somewhere
dictionary?
above that,
So dictionary
we
can
will
be
use
created
that.
by using this function DICT. It creates a new
Okay. If in
dictionary
case
with
the
no
obstacle
items.
is
Okay, and it's a built-in function,
is
and
out of the
DICT should
range
not
of
be used
that
as a
sensor,
variable name.
means above the
Now this is how. See, I'm creating
level
a dictionary with the name English to Spanish,
that you
No,
have
and this is
placed
how I
the
do
usually.
it.
sensor. Then
And when I, after creating
No,
a
usually the
dictionary,
blind man
it
will
creates
not
an
use
empty
it
dictionary.
exactly
So
vertically,
when I
right?
print,
He'll be
so
moving
this is an
it.
empty dictionary.
So,
It's saying
however
empty
he
dictionary.
moves,
So the curly
the
braces
vicinity of
represents an
that
empty
obstacle has to
dictionary.
come. If it is
Now
a
I want to
stable
add an
object
item to
or
this
a moving
dictionary,
object,
English
the
to
vicinity
Spanish.
has to
Now
come
how do I do?
in the
You have to
vicinity
add
of the
when I say an
ultrasonic
item.
sensor.
So
Since
both
he'll
key
not
and
be
value should
keeping
be
it
added.
static, he'll
See,
be moving the
English to
stick, right?
Spanish, one is the key, which is an English
When
word,
he's
no,
moving, he'll be
suppose
and the
obviously moving.
equivalent word in Spanish is UNO.
in case if there is a table, suppose,
So this
then
English to
the
Spanish one is equal to
position
UNO.
of
This
the
line creates an
sensor,
item that maps
you
from
said
the
it
key
will be at the
1
lower
to the
side
value ENO.
Yes.
or
If
the
you print
middle.
the dictionary
Then
again,
if the
you
height
can
of the
see this.
table is
So
more
print,
than
I'm
that,
printing the
then
dictionary object English to
then it
Spanish
will
now.
not detect or
This is how it
vibrate
gets printed.
at that stick.
UNO.
Then there
Okay.
is that
Okay,
is
people are
of
following?
no use, right?
Yeah, that's what I told you. When we physically do that, we'll increase the range such a way that
Hello?
to the height of the blind man, whatever
Yes,
the
sir.
Okay.
obstacle comes
So
within
this is the key
certain
and this is
limit
the
of
value,
up
key
till
value
the
pair.
height of the blind
This is
man,
how it gets
whatever
printed.
obstacle comes in
Now we'll
certain
create
limit,
the
in certain
dictionary.
distance, to up to that height, whatever
It's the same dictionary
obstacle
I'll
comes,
create.
it has to detect. In that range, we will design the sensor.
So I've created the
Okay, you
dictionary
can
with
have the
English to
discussion
Spanish.
to her phone number. Okay.
Now I'll
So we'll
print
just
it.
move on to the next ID. So that is
Thank you, ma'am.
33. Please be ready. Please share your presentation.
Okay.
Sophia Banu.
So this one.
Afrin Sultana will be presenting, ma'am.
Yeah, no problem.
It is
Please
empty.
go ahead. Please
So
go
this
ahead.
is empty now.
Yeah,
So
ma'am.
now I go for adding an item to it, the key value pair. I'm adding the key 1 with the value UNO. So it is added. Now if I print, so the key value pair is added. Okay. Next. So now you can go for adding multiple key value pairs like
Good
this.
afternoon,
Okay.
good afternoon, everybody.
I'm copying this. So I'm
Hello?
creating a dictionary with 3 items right now.
You can start.
Okay. See, 1, this
Hello, dear audience.
UNO,
Good afternoon.
2,
My name is Afrin
DOS,
Sultana.
3,
Today, my
trees.
topic is all about the smart mirror. How
So now
the smart
create it.
mirror
Now
can
I'll
work
print.
in today's generation. What is the purpose of smart mirror of installing in this
So I've
society?
printed now.
Like
See,
the problem
it got printed in the
statement
same
and,
order. But you cannot
everything in
expect all
brief,
the
I'm
time,
gonna
Karanu,
speak
when you are
about the
printing
smart
a
mirror.
dictionary, it
The
gets
authors
printed in the
are
same order you have
Afrin
created.
Sultana,
So the order is
Mohammed
always
Zainul Abidin,
unpredictable in case of
Mohammed
dictionaries. Whereas in the
Khalilullah
list,
Khan, and
when you
Mohammed
print
Zubair,
the list,
under
it
the
gets printed in the same
co-author,
order.
Professor
So let me
Sufiya
execute it
Banu
for the second
Ma'am,
time.
from EC Department,
Same thing I'm
HKBT
getting.
College of Engineering. The content
Okay.
is
So when you execute this, when you create the dictionary
yeah.
and
The
execute
contents
this
are
at your
introduction
system,
and
you might get it as
Yes, yes, ma'am.
just get it in the different
Yes, ma'am.
order. Okay.
yeah, ma'am. I'll just continue the statement. Why the smart mirror should
See, I'm
install
printing
in
like this. The order of key
present
value pair is
situation
not the
and,
same.
in
So in
future
fact that
also,
when you
it's
type the
gonna
same
help
example on
for
your
each and
computer, you
every
might get
person.
a different
In
result. But
day-to-day
different
life,
result in the sense
as the
different order.
persons are very
In
much
general, the order
busy
of an
in
item in
their
a
busy
dictionary is
schedule, they'll
unpredictable
not
always.
get the notifications of
So
what is
now
going on
I want to
around
print a
them.
value corresponding to a key.
Reminders they'll
So how
not
to
be
do
getting.
it? So same
as
thing
they are
like
very
this.
much busy. So to solve their problems, we have installed this smart mirror. These smart mirror having a 4 feature. The first
Now,
feature
like
is
this.
magic
Say
mirror. We'll call
2
it
now.
as
So
the magic mirror.
this is the
means
key,
the mirror
and the value
can
corresponding to
display
this
the
key
time,
is
date,
DOS.
weather report plus the important highlights of the news. Through the
Next,
Raspberry
we
Pi, which has
have
connected
similarly,
to
if
the
I
cloud.
want to
Through the
print
cloud,
4,
all the
4
information
key is
are
not
going
there.
to store in the
It says
mirror
key error.
and it's gonna display for the user. The second feature is the smart mirror used for facial recognition. It recognizes
key
the
error
use
because
of
the
face.
key 4
like
is not
so
found
and so
inside
person
the
is standing
list.
in front of the mirror. It displays the name of the person plus ID of the
So
person.
the length function works
and
on the
the smart
dictionary.
mirror is going to
It returns
recognize
the number of key
emotion
value
of the
pairs. So we
person.
have used
Like
length
how
on
the
string
person
also.
is. He is
We have
sad
used
or he
length
is
on
happy, he's
lists also.
angry, like
We have
what
used
he's surprised.
we can use the length
different
function
kinds of
on the
emotions
dictionary
which
also.
the person is
So what
having.
it returns always, it
That's,
returns the number of
all
items
the
or the key value
emotions
pairs
is
present
gonna
inside the
be,
dictionary.
It's gonna identify the facial recognition of the
Like
person.
this.
And the
Length of
fourth feature is it's
English
gonna
to Spanish.
detect the
Spanish.
speech recognition of the person.
English
like
to
example, a person
Now the length
is,
of this is 3 because
given
there
all
are
the
3 key
problem
value
and the
pairs
literature
present
surveys
inside
also
the
we have done.
dictionary.
The speech mirror is gonna it's recognized by the microscope.
Next,
which we have
you can
installed
check
in a
always
smart
whether
mirror. Through
a
smart
key,
mirror, it takes the output
exists
of the person.
inside the dictionary or not by
Through
using
it
the in
gives
operator. We have used in
information for the
operator
person.
in the
So
dictionary,
this is what the
lists
proposed
also,
system
strings
of the
also.
smart mirror.
So same way
The
in
aim of this
operator also
design,
works
so
with
why we are designing
the,
the smart mirror, the main
dictionaries.
intention
But
of this one
using
is
in
this should
operator,
be an
you can check whether a
interactive
particular key
interface which
exists
can be conveniently
inside a
used in a
dictionary or
home
not.
environment.
So I
As
want
well
to
as
check
the
whether the key
commercial
1
phase
exists
also
inside the
we can
dictionary
use.
English
It
to
is a
Spanish.
standard way
Let's just say
mirror
1 in
used
English to
interfaces.
Spanish.
So this is what the main intention of this smart mirror. Like
Now it is
here
written
we
in
having a
neatly,
proposal
true,
system,
and similarly,
like
so
internet,
if I go for
Raspberry
checking
Pi
whether
connected,
UNO exists
facial
in English to
detect-
Spanish,
recognition,
so it returns me
camera,
false because
time
by
and
default,
monitor is gonna
so
display from here.
whenever I use in
And
operator on
the
the
hardware
dictionary, it will
components
always
we
try
are
to look
using
for the
here
key.
are Raspberry Pi,
not the value.
webcam, speaker, microphone relay. So
And
Raspberry
I
Pi
take
is
this.
basically a motherboard of the smart mirror, which gives the
So now it is written
all
me
which
false.
controls
So
whole
UNO
smart
is the
mirror.
value
And web
associated
camera
with the
is
key
used
1.
to capture
So but
the
by
person
default
of
in
the,
operator always looks
image
for
facial
the
recognition
keys
and
in the
image
dictionary.
recognition.
Okay. But
And
later
the
you can also
speaker
make it
is,
look for what
gonna give the
the
output for a person.
values also.
Microphone, if you
We'll see
take
that
the
later.
input from the person. Relays are used for switching on and off of the smart mirror. Here
Now,
we are using
if you want to
software
check
requirements
whether
as
a value
Raspberry
exists
and
inside
OS,
the dictionary,
Tesseract
so this is how
OCR,
you got to do it.
OpenCV,
First,
eStream
you got
and
to
Qt.
extract
These
all the
are
values
software
from the
which we are
dictionary.
using in
Now,
a
how do you
smart mirror,
access
which will be
all or
helpful
extract
in the
all the
working
values from the
in a
dictionary? There is
programming
a
of the
method
smart
called as
mirror.
values,
The programming
which can be
language
invoked on the
which we are
dictionary.
using
So
in
this
this
values is the method
present
which is invoked on the
project
dictionary.
like
What it will do, it will get
Python
all the
language we
values
are
from the
using. It is
dictionary
easy
and we are
to
making it as a
access.
list
It's
and
easy
assigning
to
it
code the
to
Python
the list
language.
with the name vals. And then you
And,
can
we
go for
have
checking
told
whether a value exists inside the list values.
The
Okay?
after this the
So-
architectural
if you want to
design
check whether a
diagram
value
as this,
exists
like
inside the
smart
dictionary,
mirrors, this
first
the
you got to
mirror,
make a list
your
of
weather
values
updates,
and then on the
ISS
list of
feeds and
values you can
calendar
go
of
for
events, traffic
using
updates,
the in
everything is
operator.
gonna give. And here will be having a LCD screen, two-way mirror. User will stand in front of the mirror. The voice command will take a microphone, and this command
This is
is gonna
done.
feed in
Now
the
what I
Raspberry
do?
Pi, and it gives back to the user.
I want to check whether UNO is
And this
a
is
value
system
in the list.
architecture.
Yes, it's a
Speaker,
value in the
monitor,
list. It is
microscope,
written in me.
Raspberry
True.
Pi, Raspberry Pi here. Image capture will happen after the face detection, processing, face recognition,
in operator.
feature extraction, classification, convolutions,
we have
and
understood it works
subsampling.
with the lists
Classifying
also,
the
it works with
emotions will be here.
the strings
Happy,
also, it works
sad,
with the
angry,
dictionary
surprised, and
also.
neutral.
So but
And name
it
of the
uses different
recognition
algorithm
person.
for
If
list
the-
and different
in,
algorithm
if
for
the
dictionaries. Operator
mirror
is same,
recognize
but the
the
algorithm
person,
that is used
the
by
mirror
the
will
operator
display
for
the
list
name
is
of the
different and
person
for
with
dictionaries
its
it is
ID,
different.
which we
So
have
for list,
programmed
operator
already
makes use of
in
the
a,
linear search algorithm.
well programmed.
So
we
as the
have
list
mentioned the
gets
person
longer,
name
the
and
search
will
time
be
also
mentioning the
increases,
ID number.
and it is directly
And the
proportional to
feature
the
of the
length of
smart
the
mirror, magic
list.
mirror, face
As the length of the list
recognition, emotion
increases, search time also
recognition,
increases.
speech recognition.
But for dictionary,
These and all
the
the
operator will not make use
features
of the
of
linear
this
search
smart mirror,
algorithm.
like we
Instead,
have
it makes
already
use of
this
the hash table algorithm. So which is a
project.
remarkable
This is
property.
the
Now
output
using
of the
hash
project.
table
If
algorithm,
the
the
person
operator
does,
will
is a
find
surprise,
any
no? It
key
is showing as a
from
surprise.
the
And
dictionary
angry is,
irrespective of its
12.10%,
length in the
surprise
same
is
time,
put,
okay, same amount of time.
42.43%.
So that
And
is
if
the
the person is like
important
happy,
thing.
it will
This is
show
the important thing what you should know.
97.95 as
So
a happy.
on the
Angry
list
is
it
so much
uses
like that
the
the,
linear search
person's
algorithm, and on the
emotion
dictionary it
recognition
uses
will
the
happen
hash table
by using
algorithm.
a CCN
So why you can't
algorithm.
use the hash table
And the speech
algorithm on
recognition,
the list?
here
Because
it
the
allows
list
machine
doesn't
to
have
speak here. If we give
the
any
key value.
input
What it
to
has is the index.
smart
So
mirror,
and
we
and
give
hence it
output
cannot
for
be
our
applied.
speech
Hash table
recognition.
algorithm cannot be
We'll be
applied
having
on
an
the list.
LTH algorithm.
So
By
list you
using
can
this one,
always do.
we'll
In operator
recognize the
uses
face
the
of
linear
the
search
person.
algorithm.
By
But on the
using a
dictionary,
open
since
CV
it
library
has
and
a
the
unique
results and
value called as
implementation we
key,
have got,
so it
this is
uses
the
the
expected
hash table.
output of the mirror. And the advantages
So next
of
is
this
sorted
is
function.
the product is
So we
energy
have
efficient
a
and
function
provides
which can be invoked on
greenery ethical
any
alternative and to small
iteratable
businesses
sequence.
like
Okay, that is called as a sorted
and
function,
the
and it basically
Raspberry Pi
takes
is
three
perfect
arguments.
too for
One is
adaptive technology.
iterable,
And
key,
here
and
will
reverse.
be
So
this
sorted
product makes
takes
it
three
possible to
parameters
build
as
a
it is
complex
mentioned
and
here:
effective
iterable,
product
key, and
success.
sequence. What is an iterable? Iterable is a sequence. It can be a string, it can be a tuple, it can be a list, or it can be a collection, something like set, dictionary, frozen set, or any iterator.
Like it will take so much
So
of
string
time
is an iterator.
and we
Why we
having
call
a
string as an
Ethernet only
iterator? Because
10 by
using a for loop
100
we can
and the
iterate over
process
every
is not
character of the
fast.
string.
It's
So
time
tuple is an
consuming to download
iterator.
and
List
install
is
the
an
software.
iterator. Set
It
is
not
also an iterator.
compatible
Dictionary
with
is also
other
an iterator
operating
because using
systems such as
the
Windows. There
for
are
loop you
currently
can go for
1.3
iterating over
billion
every
Windows users
key value pair
around
of
the
the
world.
dictionary.
This product will
So
not
frozen set
useful for bigger business
and
that already have a big servers, which will be
reverse
already for
is
everything that
optional again.
Raspberry Pi does.
This is
So
third
the
argument
application
is
of
reverse,
this
which is
project, this
optional.
project
If true,
is
the
by
shorted list
using
is
this we will
reverse,
be able to
in,
get the real-time
or
update
otherwise
of the
it is
news,
shorted in the
traffic,
ascending
stock
order.
dates,
So any
date,
iterator
time,
you give,
weather
whether
updates,
the
etc.
string,
And
tuple,
it can
list,
also
set,
work as a
dictionary,
normal
or frozen
reflective
set,
mirror so that
everything
the
will be
user
shorted
can
in
use it as a
decreasing
regular
order
time.
if reverse
User will be able to
attribute
give
is set
voice
to
command
true.
also.
If reverse
And here
attribute
we
is set
can
to
read
false,
the
it
emails
will be
also.
shorted in the
Set
ascending
the
order.
reminders, we
And
can set the
one more
reminders which we
argument is
want
there,
to get
key.
the
So
like
this is
notification
optional.
in the
Okay,
future.
reverse and key are
Like,
optional, but
what is the
iteratable
future
is
scope of this
mandatory.
mirror is?
So the
We can
function
make this
that
mirror
serves
as
as
a
key
touch
for
screen
the
in
short
upcoming days
comparison.
if we
So I have
immerse
the
this
list
technology.
here, list of
So we
vowels.
can make
I'm
it
printing,
an advanced to touch screen.
I'm
The
shorting
mirror
them
can be better
by
enhanced
using
to be
the
deployed in a
shorted
beauty
function,
parlors also,
and you can just
cloth
observe here.
shops,
So
hotels,
I'm not
etc.
passing
with
the
a
key and
better
I'm not passing
advancement
the
in the
reverse. So
technology.
it is
Smart
shorted in
mirror can be
ascending
used in
order.
many other fields.
So when I'm calling
These are
the same shorted function
this
by
is about
passing the
the smart
list,
mirror
and
the confusion
I
is
have the option on
smart
reverse now
mirrors
initialized
were
to
the
true.
main concern
Now you
to help
have
for the
the
people.
list item shorted
Like,
in the
to
decreasing
save the
order.
time of the people, so we
Understood,
can
Tilia?
install the smart mirror in each and every home. If the person is not there in home, some people are not together.
Hello?
Like if the person is alone, if he stand in front of the mirror,
Yes.
he can know how his attire is looking. It is suitable for going this kind of programs and all. The smart
Okay.
mirror will give information for the person.
Now I'll just show you this now.
These many advantages of the smart mirror, and this is the conclusion of the smart mirror. So thank you, audience.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
This is the output. It's sorted in the alphabetical order. Now what I do,
Any questions?
I set reverse
One
is equal
question
to
Oh.
from
true.
my side. Why you have used for the facial recognition the CNN algorithm? What is the Like, what's the advantage over there?
Ma'am,
So this is
if
shorted
we
in
use
the
the
decreasing
facial
order.
recognition, it can recognize our face. Like by using CNN algorithm only, we can recognize the face, and this can tell the
Now on the
person's,
dictionary
name
again,
and
so this
ID
can
of
be
the
called on the
person.
dictionary
If the
also.
smart mirror is
So
locked,
the
if
previous
person
execution was on
suddenly
the
he
list.
came,
Now we
it
are
can
doing the same
open.
thing
Like
on
it
the
will be in a
dictionary.
security purpose also, ma'am. Smart mirror.
Any
This
other
is the dictionary what
algorithm
I've
do you,
created.
you know?
LPBH algorithm will be using for face recognition, ma'am.
What is
We've
that
used both.
LPPH? What is that LPPH algorithm?
Local binary pattern or histogram algorithm, ma'am, which recognize the person's this one, ma'am, pixels through which we can recognize the face of the person, ma'am.
Have you done any comparative study of comparative result of both algorithms?
So this is in the
Ma'am,
shorted.
CNN algorithm for emotion
See,
recognition
shorted on the
and
dictionary.
this one
So what it is
LPPH
doing is,
algorithm is for
it is taking the
face
keys and then
recognition,
it is
ma'am.
shorting them in the decreasing order.
Both are different, no?
Yes, ma'am.
And you have not shown the results also of this.
So now
ma'am, results have
we'll
shown,
try
ma'am.
to understand how to use the key option. See,
show the
in the
slide.
examples which I showed you till now, so we never used the key argument. Now we'll learn how to use the key argument. Okay. So this key function transform each element before shorting. So it takes the value and returns one value, which is then used within short instead of the original value. Okay, I'll take the example. Say for example,
By the time, please ready
I
with
want
the
to pass the list
idea
of
of
strings.
ICRT
When I pass the
45
list of
automatic
strings to
face
shorted
segregator,
function,
Apurva V. Manu,
it
please
gets
be ready
shorted
by that time.
alphabetically. Okay,
This
it gets
is the
sorted
result, ma'am.
alphabetically. So in case if I want to short the list
Any
of strings
tabular
which I'm
column is
passing
it
as
that you have
argument
not
to
shown?
short it
No,
based
that-
on its
no,
length,
that's not
then
the
I can go for using
Those are not the
key
results.
That is not the result.
argument.
No.
Key is equal to length. But if you specify key is equal to length, that is give length function
This
as
is the
key,
expected
then it
output
will
of the mirror,
short
ma'am.
the strings inside the shorted strings in the list using the length of the string.
Expected output, but where are the results? Where are you giving the
So
data?
I have the example here.
Huh?
Say this is my list of strings.
And which program you are using for that? Have you run the program has been run?
So this is the list.
Yes, ma'am. The project is presently.
Now
there,
I just do the
in-
normal shorting.
In this one, ma'am. With my friend's home, we have already done with this one by this project, ma'am. It's there, ma'am. This
One
project is there, ma'am. We
Okay.
can show live demo, ma'am, if you want.
Okay.
Okay. Chandrakala, you can ask the next
Yes,
batch.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
So this
So
is
we'll move
now
on to
it is
next
shorted in
ID,
the alphabetical
ICRT
order.
DIC 45, automatic waste segregator
Next,
by Apurva
I
V.
use
Manu
this.
and group.
so
Are
where
you
I'm
ready?
shorting, see, I'm passing the same list, but I'm passing the key argument also by assigning it with length. Now what happens? So the
They are there.
strings which are there in the list will be shorted
Not
using based on their
group,
lengths and not based
ICRT
on the
DIC
alphabetical
49.
order.
A smart vending machine, smart medicine vending machine by Sinchanan group. Are they ready?
No, go to the next.
Next, ICRT DIC 50, a survey on solid state drive technology and future research directions in FTL.
Once again, students, I have another
and group.
meeting. I have to join that now.
No, that batch is also not there.
Next, analysis
Hello.
of leaf disease using multi-support vector machine for smart agriculture, Kirti S and group.
Hello, madam. Hello,
Yeah,
madam. This is
we are on-
Doctor.
You can
Yeah.
start your presentation.
Madam, this is Dr. Harish Kumar Beti from the paper which you called you now, a survey on solid state drive. I am here.
Okay, sir.
Paper ID 50.
Yes, madam. Yes,
50.
Mm.
You can
So
go
I
ahead
will-
with the presentation, sir.
Yes,
You're
madam.
are you giving the presentation, sir?
Yes, madam.
Please continue.
Thank you.
Okay.
Yeah, please.
Hello, good afternoon. Am I audible?
Yes, sir. Continue.
Yes,
You're
yes, you're audible.
Yes, you are audible.
Okay, thank you, madam. Yeah, myself, Dr. Harish Kumar BT. So, I'm here to present my paper called A Survey on Solid State Drive Technology and Future Research Direction in FLT. So, my other co-authors are Shweta BV and Venkatesh G, and myself, Dr. Harish Kumar BT. So agenda for today is this. First, I'll be going through the introduction, so a brief literature review, and then I'll be talking on the solid state drive technology and its implementation, future research directions in the field of FLT, that is flash transition layer, so conclusions and discussions finally. So introduction. So we all know that the storage devices are undergoing revolution from the past 60 years, and because of this revolution, the storage devices size is getting reduced day by day. And traditionally, people used to use the magnetic storage devices like floppy disk drives, zip disk drives, and hard disk drives for storing the data. And all this traditional storage devices, they use moving mechanical parts, and this moving mechanical parts majority of the time suppresses the performance. And even these type of devices which are based on the moving mechanical parts are more vulnerable to damages, even if a small accidental fall causes the entire device to not function properly. So in the recent years, all this storage devices, especially the HDDs, hard disk drives, are getting replaced by the solid state storage devices, SSDs. So here I'm here to present a survey on the solid state drive technology, its implementation, and few research openings on the solid state drives to address the existing issues. So a small literature review with respect to this. So Hathar Chung et al. Has conducted a survey on the software layer, that is flash transition layer, and has described several algorithms which are capable of efficiently handling the communication between the host interface and the flash controller. So between the operating system and the NAND flash chips, so there is a software layer which is called as flash transition layer. And with respect to this flash transition layer, the authors have proposed several algorithms which can handle the communication between the operating system and the NAND flash chips efficiently. So the success of the entire NAND flash chip completely depends on the flash transition layer. So and it is the one which is responsible for monitoring the entire NAND flash chips. So the other author, Hassan Artaf, has proposed an hybrid solid state drive technology to enhance the strength of the solid state drive technology, and also discussed a few algorithms on the performance of the solid state drive technology. So next author, Wahid Ramati, has presented as a strategy to increase the operation speed of the optical disk drives, OODs, so by making use of MOPs, so that is multi-optical pickup point units. So one more author has discussed on the cost effectiveness of the drives for different types of workload applications by combining the solid state drives and also the hard disk drives. So solid state drive technology, so what you are seeing is a NAND flash shell which can store either 0 or 1. So it basically has three terminals. This is the source, this is the drain, and one more is the gate. So and here we have two insulators. This is the oxide insulator and this is oxide insulator. In between these two oxide insulators, what we have is a floating gate. So if this floating gate is not charged, so we interpret the data as 1. Okay. And similarly, if the floating gate is charged with the electrons, we interpret it as the data 0. Okay. So this is the basic concept with the solid state drive technology. So now reading a NAND cell. Now how do I read a 0 or 1 from the NAND cell? So when a voltage is applied to the control gate, as I already told, this is the gate, this is the source and the drain. When we apply the voltage to the gate, so of the NAND cell, if there is the flow of current detected between the source and the drain, if there is no flow of current detected between the source and the drain, so then the floating gate is charged and we interpret it as the binary 0. And similarly, if there is a flow of current detected from source to the drain when we apply the voltage on the gate, so the floating gate is not charged, then we go for interpreting it as binary 1. So the figure 1 here shows the charged state of the floating gate, which we interpret it as binary 0, and the figure 2 here shows the floating gate which is not charged and the state is interpreted as binary 1. So now writing NAND cell and how do we erase from the NAND cell. So when we apply the voltage to the floating gate, so to fill the charge to the floating gate, so you have to apply a very high voltage, so the across the control gate. So then the electrons which are available in the substrate, here silicon substrate, so they get excited and they move into the floating gate. So now this gate is called as charge gate and the value of the binary state is 0. And similarly, when I want to erase a floating gate or erase a NAND cell, now we apply the voltage to the substrate. When we apply the voltage to the substrate, so we have all the electrons in the floating gate again moving back. They bypass this insulator, they cross this insulated oxide insulator and they get into the silicon substrate, and we say this is the erased state and it represents the logic 1. So now NAND cell capacities. So in the previous example when I was I was talking about the bit 0 and 1. So NAND cell capacity, we can organize the NAND cell to store more than 1 bit. So SLC, single level cell, is the one which I showed you in the previous slide. So because a NAND cell can store either a 0 or 1. Now a multi-level cell is also there. So this MLC can go for storing 2 bits per NAND cell. A NAND cell can store 2 bits, and similarly a tri-level cell can store 3 bits per NAND cell, and quad level cell can store 4 bits per NAND cell. So this is what the example of a single level cell is. Either it can store 0 or 1. One NAND cell can store 0 or 1, and here one NAND cell can go for storing 2 bits. So the combination of bits that can be stored are 0 0, 0 1, 1 0 or 1 1. And similarly we have tri-level cell. So when I say tri-level cell, it can go for storing 3 bits per NAND cell. So and as the number of bit storage increases, we require so many voltage levels also to represent the bits. So here we require 8 voltage levels. Now here when I want to store 4 bits per NAND cell, so I require 16 voltage levels. So in the previous year only 2 voltage levels are required. Here I require 4 different level of voltage level to distinguish between all these pairs of digits. Yes. Am I audible?
8 minutes.
Yes, madam.
Sure,
Yeah,
sure,
sure.
you're audible, sir, but you're
Yeah.
taking more time, I think. Please
Okay. Sure.
wind up fast.
Yes, madam. And this is depicting the high-level software architecture of SSD, as I mentioned earlier. So between the operating system and the NAND flash chip, there is the FLT, flash transition layer, which is responsible for controlling all the operations that the operating system do with the NAND flash chips. Now, what are the various modules that the flash translation layer supports? One is logical to physical address translation, garbage management, where level and where controlling, so error correction codes, bad block management. So these are all, there are various modules. These are the modules which are present inside the flash translation layer, and this is responsible for controlling everything. Now, with respect to that, so the throughput of FLT, so the performance of FLT or the throughput of FLC reduces when all the NAND cells are written as the overhead increases, okay, in monitoring all the NAND cell, and you can see there will be a drop in the throughput and increase in the latency. So, and this graph is showing the same thing. When all the NAND cells are written with the value, what happens is, so the throughput will decrease and at the same time the latency increases, and this is what is called as right cliff. So now address mapping. So we got to translate the logical addresses into the physical addresses, and this can be done at various levels. One is page level mapping, another is block level mapping. So in block level mapping, so the number of bytes required to store the page table is this: log p to base 2 by 8 into p bytes, where p is the total number of pages in SSD. Now if I take an hard disk of 1 terabyte SSD, so approximately we require 2^28 entries to hold the page size of 4 bytes. So approximately 1 GB of memory is required for storing the page table itself. So this is showing the page level mapping. So this is the page mapping table, which has the logical page number and the corresponding physical page number. So this is what is generated. Say I want to write A to this page, okay, logical page number 5. So this gets translated into the physical page number. So physical page number 10, it is written. And the other level is block level mapping. So in the block level mapping, so same formula, but only thing is instead of p bytes, we have b bytes. So where b is the number of blocks. And here approximately for 1 terabyte of SSD, we require 12 MB space to store the page table. So this is what this is the block mapping table, and this is the actual memory. So where we have the LBN, that is logical block number obtained using logical page number divided by the total size of the page, and offset is obtained by taking the modulus operator. And address mapping technique, space consumption comparison of 1 terabit. So if I use the page level mapping, it is around 1 GB of memory is required for storing the page table. If I use the block level mapping, only 12 MB of memory space is necessary for storing the entire page table. So conclusion and discussion, the main middleware layer of SSD software architecture is FLT, and so it is responsible for effectively controlling the functioning of the SSD chips. And here in the survey we are focused on the right cliff problem and addressing mapping table space consumption. The future research direction in this area requires maintaining the performance of SSD even if all the SSD cells are written. And we need to reduce the right cliff, that is we need to maintain the throughput by reducing the latency, and we should also go for reducing the address mapping table space consumption. So these are a few references. So questions. So here my presentation ends, and I can take the questions from the audience and the jury members.
Okay, sir.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, thank you.
So any real-time applications for this, sir?
Madam, now these days majority of the cloud data centers are shifting from their traditional HDD types of cloud centers to SDDs type of cloud centers, because SDDs are much faster than compared to the HDDs, since the moving mechanical parts are not there in SDDs.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Thank you, madam.
So
Thank you,
next
thank
item is ICRTD IST 050. A survey on solid state drive technology is over. Sorry. So next ICRT DIC
No, that's over. That's
analysis of leaf diseases using multi-support vector machine for smart agriculture by Kitty and Group. Are they are there? Kitty and Group.
no. I think
Okay,
we'll
next
go
I
to the
move
next
to
page.
ICRT DIC 060, detecting a plant disease by patterns on leaf using
Hello.
machine
Are
learning
people there?
algorithm by Nisargan Group.
Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes, ma'am. I'm here.
Yeah, sorry, because
Please start
my
with
paper was accepted in one
yes.
of the. Able to hear me?
Yes, sir, you're audible.
Okay. Strictly speaking, I was connected to two meetings. So because my paper was accepted in one of the international conference. So my turn was at 12:55.
No.
So
not
I was
visible.
waiting and it got started little late. And the moment they called my name, I had to join that meeting, and I finished presenting my paper there. Okay.
Is
Thank
it
you.
visible now?
Congratulations, sir.
Yeah. Thank you.
Now it's okay.
Okay. Now I'm done with it. Okay. This is what we were discussing. Okay. Normal short and shorting with the key length. Okay. I passed key as the length function here. Now what
Yes,
it will do,
good
it will
morning,
take the
good
list of
afternoon,
strings
everybody.
and then it will go for
Present
shorting
here.
them.
So today I'm here to
Not
present
based on the
my paper
alphabetical
on
order.
detecting
So
leaf
based
disease
on the length,
by
it will
using
find the
machine
length of
learning
each of these
algorithms.
string and then
So
it will short.
introduction,
So execution of the same
agendas
I
today's
showed
introduction,
here.
existing
Short
system and its
length, width.
disadvantages, problem
So
statement,
it is
literature
shorted based on
survey,
the length, and earlier
objectives,
one was shorted
proposed
based on the
systems and its advantages,
alphabetical
and
order.
CNN algorithm working, and the system requirement, hardware as well as software, conclusion and reference. So
Next.
introduction, as we all know, India
So now
has a
when I
major
say key,
participation of
it need not be
agriculture.
always the built-in
So
function
it's
which
very
we assign
important
to
to
it. So even you can go for
identify the
assigning the
disease in the
user-defined
early
function
stage.
also.
So my
And
project
this example
on
is
my
based on the
paper
user-defined
helps in
function.
detecting
So
the
just have a
diseases
observation here.
of the
Have a
plant
look here.
using
Say I am defining a function
patterns on the
with the
leaf.
name func, passing x,
So
and what I am
existing
returning is the
systems,
reminder. And this
so
is
there
what is
were
my list.
many
I am doing the
researches
normal
going
short
on
first.
here.
Okay.
Uh,
Short L. So this is
so,
what the normal short.
One
So
of the
shorted based on
early stages,
the
they had identified
digits. So in the ascending order.
identifying
Next, what I'm
the
doing,
white
shorted
flies.
and passing the
So,
same list. Now key is
out
equal
of
to function. What is
180
this function
images,
now?
there was
It is not a built-in
divided
function.
into
It is my
classes
own
like
function.
160
This
images
function.
were like 0 to 5
passed my
flies,
own
and
function, and
another has
every
no flies,
item
something
of this list is taken.
in that
Say for
range.
example,
But the
15 is
disadvantage
taken,
here was
passed
like
as an argument
white
to
instead
function,
of white flies
15 modulo
identification,
7.
there was when
What is the
identifying
result?
the egg shells. So the accuracy was low as it was not identifying which is
What is 15 modulo 7
And then
is?
problem statement here is the project aims at the designing and automation system for
Hello?
a leaf disease detection using machine image processing and machine learning techniques.
Guys?
So the
So one.
literature surveys have added
So
few
now
here.
the result
So
of this is
mainly
1.
one
Okay.
of them were
Next, I take 3.
first paper as
The next item from the
2017,
list
it
is
works
taken,
for only few
passed as
plants and
argument
not
to
all.
this, 3
And my
modulo 7,
project as well as
0.
I've implemented
Next
only
11
for
is
the
taken, correct
purpose
now?
of tomato, but we can use for any other plants as well. And the next paper they have used, it was very easy to implement, but
Yeah.
it was not
Next,
only it was only
11 is
image
taken,
processing.
passed as argument.
And,
11 modulo 7 is how much?
And then next paper is of detecting a color was not it was not able to detect the
See,
colors.
3
That was
modulo
a
7 is 3
major
itself.
disadvantage.
Sorry.
So
3 modulo
objective
7
here
is 3
image
itself,
acquisition
and for
and
this
then
I have got
image
1,
preprocessing,
this is
and then
3, and 11 modulo
disease
7 is how much?
identification for
4,
the leaf.
and 7 modulo
So
7
proposed
is
system, the
0.
project
So now
proposes
0,
an image
this is
processing
4, and
classification
this
to
is
identify
3,
different
and this
leaf
is 1.
diseases,
See?
and we
Now when I
combine
shorted
textual as well
with
as
the
color
key as function,
extractions.
so 7 is coming
So here
first,
we
because 7
extract
modulo 7 is
picture
0.
extraction is done
Next,
by the
15 is coming,
algorithm
because 15
itself.
modulo 7 is
That's
1.
the advantage.
Okay.
And
And
then
next
it
3 is
identifies
coming.
shape, color,
So 3
texture,
modulo
and
7 is
everything. And
3
the
itself.
algorithm
Now
used
11
for
modulo 7 is
classification
4.
is CNN.
So it is
We'll
arranged
go through
based on
how
my
the
function.
CNN
Okay.
works and
By taking
further
the modulus
slides.
value.
So
Understood, no?
methodology here what I have done is like
Now,
input
let
images,
me
collecting
execute
the input
this.
image and then pre-processing it and then converting into an array of comparison, then segregating with the different diseases. I have set some 3 diseases here, and then basically diseases come from
Indentation error.
bacterial and then leaf, and then other is yellow leaf curl disease. So I have done the database things and then pre-processing it again and then training with the CNN model, and then using CNN based classifier, and it identifies whether the leaf is healthy or not. If it is not healthy, we also do the recommendation for remedy
just
for
use
what to do next. And then
the bracket.
the proposed system advantages is like image and machine learning algorithm approaches, and accuracy is high as we are using CNN, and working for different plant disease as well. So CNN algorithm stands for convolutional neural networks, and it is based on a deep learning
See now.
deep neural networks, and
So the
that
first one is shorted
class it comes, and then it is
using
commonly
normal
applied
short.
for
And
analyzing
the second one is
visual
shorted
imagery.
using
Then
the
for
return value
here we
from
have
the
different
function.
layers. That is, first thing is convolution layer and a ReLU layer, a polling layer, and a fully connected layer.
Shorting
so how CNN
based
works?
on
So
more
the
than
first
one value.
step
So till
is
now we
to
understood
identify
how to short
the
based on one value. Now how
feature.
do I short
So
more
if
than
we
one
give an
value?
image and
See
it
here.
identifies each pixels, here I've given
So
an example
I've
of
taken
an
an
X,
empty list.
and then
So
the
this is a
other
list
thing, one
example,
has
and
a
later
vector
we will
image
see
and
how to
other has
apply the same
a
thing
test
for
training
the dictionary.
example.
A is
So
equal to
it
this.
identify first
The
step
definition
is
now.
to there are 4
Function.
steps. That is, first is lining up
Return
all the
V1,
features
comma
and then
V2.
image patching,
So this is
multiplying
the list
each pixels
with
with
what
the
I'm
corresponding
creating.
feature pixels. That
So
is the
A dot
vector
append,
pixels.
this is what I've
And then
done.
third is adding
So
them
this is
up
something
and
like
then
a list
dividing by
inside
the
the
total
list.
number of
So
pixels.
this is a list,
So
and these
in
things
the
are getting
overall
added as
X,
what?
if you can see,
The list to
there are only 3 patterns.
A.
Either it
So
is
this itself is a
diagonal
list,
from left to
and
right
now
or diagonal from right
to
to
A,
left.
this
And
entire
then
thing is
in the
one
middle
item,
X. So these are the
and this is
feature
another
extraction,
item,
1,
and
2,
this is
3.
one more item,
And
and each
wherever
item
that
is a
there is
list
a
again.
dark spots or the
Now what I'm
color
saying,
combination,
A
so
dot short key is
we
equal to
make
fun.
it as a
Okay.
positive
Now
number,
what I'm
and then
given,
wherever
V of
we have
1
a
and
like
V of
number
2.
or
Okay.
there's no pattern,
So
we give it as a
function I'm
negative
passing
number.
here.
And then
Now,
if
what
identifying
gets
this
copied
one
to V is
and then
the
comparing the
list. Now
the
I'm
pixels
saying
cross for the
V of
CNN
1
by
and V of 2,
default
it
is
will take
3
first
cross
2.
3 pixels.
Okay.
So
So
3
this
to
also
3 cross
and
3,
this also. And
whatever
based on first
pixels we're
2
getting, we'll
items,
add them
so
up
they are
divided
shorted.
by
Okay.
total number
So
of
if
pixels.
first one matches, so
So
if the name matches,
the
then it will go
answer
for
is
shorting
1.
based
So
on
instead
the
of
second item.
the whole
Okay. So
entire
this is how they
3
get
cross 3 pixel,
shorted.
in the
Let me
middle
execute this.
we give the
So now we
value
are
of the
shorting
total number of pixels, that
based
is
on
1. So
more than
for
one
the next
value.
feature, that is X, we got the value as 0.55. So moving on, we have done these pixels moving from each and everything with all the 3 features.
Okay.
I mean,
See now,
all the 3
so it's
features,
shorted,
that is
we have
diagonal
shorted
left
it
to
based
right,
on
right to
these
left,
2.
and then X. We got these
First
many
2
values on the right side.
Now if I want to short
After
it based
that,
on all the 3, then
ReLU
comma
layer
V of
helps
3 I have
in
to do.
decreasing eliminating the negative values. So wherever there's a negative value, we move it as 0.
Okay.
Uh,
Now
so
short versus
reducing the
shorted.
negative
Short function we have
values.
already understood
Last
earlier.
last
So
but
when we
not
started
least,
with the
next layer is polling
strings
layer.
and when we
Polling layer is
started
like
with the
a
list,
window
short
cross layer,
function we
making
have
it
understood. Now we are discussing
compressed.
shorted.
So
Okay.
all
So there is a
here
difference
we have
between short and
set
shorted.
the window
So short was
size,
not
that is
returning
2 cross
anything.
2.
It used
So
to update the same list. But
0.770,
shorted returns a
then
new
below
list. Okay. So it
below
returns a value.
row is then 0, 1.
So-
So out of the 4 pixel, that is 2 cross 2,
And list dot shorter
we take
is
the highest
faster
value,
than
that is 1.
shorted,
So we
because
move, so this 2
short
cross
is not
2 will
going to
remove
return you the new
entire
list, or it's not going to
and
create
then
one more
this
copy
will
of the
be
list.
our
Hence
this
it
will
is
be
much
the output,
faster
and
than the
we
shorted. Since
next
shorted
is fully
returns a new
connected layer.
value,
We do
it is
this
much slower
every
than compared to
layer,
the short.
and then we come into the image input has just one column.
Okay, I have the
So
example here.
adding all
Okay.
this up, you'll get a
So,
value. The right side
operator
is a
in
vector
built-in
image. What
module
we
providing a set of
take as an
convenient
example, like what
operators.
should be the X
So the
or what
function
should be the
operator
pattern.
dot, there is a function
That
with the
should be
name
the
this.
values,
Operator
and
dot
then
get
we
item,
that
item
value,
getter of
and
it.
then
So construct a
training
callable
test
that
data value
assumes an
will
iteratable
compare,
object
will
as
divide,
input
and
and
we'll
fetches
keep
the
the
nth
threshold.
element
Like
out
if
of
it is in the
Say,
range, and then
I
we
have the
tell yes,
example here.
this
With the
is
example you'll
X as
understand.
well.
Now what I've
Something
done
like
now,
that.
So again I've created a list,
Give me an
but in the
example
previous
as
example
but
what
that's
I
how
did,
CNN works.
I wrote my own function,
then,
function,
this
and
is the
I
hardware
passed two
requirement.
things, first item and the second item to sort the list.
RAM is 512 MB, and then software OpenCV coding is
Here,
done in Python.
instead of sorting,
image
so
processing,
key is equal to
tool we have
operator
used
dot
image
item
processing.
getter of 1.
And
Now
then
I want to sort
conclusion, by
them based
implementing
on
this method,
the
disease
second
detects
item,
can
so
be
30.
achieved,
So
and
this
pesticide
numbers
selection
age,
also
I want to
can
sort
be
based
easily
on the age.
achieved, because
I'm getting
all
item getter
farmers
of 1.
cannot remember
Now when I print,
what
see,
is the
it is
disease
sorted
and
based on
what
the
pesticides
second
to
number
use. At the end of the
or age.
project, we also give the
Okay.
date. I mean,
Now if I want to sort only
this is the
based on
reference.
the first
Any
name,
questions?
okay.
Thank
Now
you.
I'll be getting it as item getter of 0. Okay. So using this function item getter, you can go for specifying the value based on
Thank you,
which
Mr.
the
yes,
sorting is required.
thank you.
Any questions?
Okay, let me execute this.
One question I have, that is you have not taken the real time data.
Yes, correct, exactly. Yeah, we can
is
do that
Import
as well.
operator is
But we have lot of hardware components to be required as well, camera, and then we can do that. Actually, I was
so you have
planning
to
to
import
do that.
to use this
It would have
operator
direct-
dot item getter. You have to impose the
Yeah.
import.
It would have
the
directed me to
operator
a
mode.
different project, like IoT project. It would have been. So my guide was like, let's not move the whole concept. Let's focus on algorithm is what he suggested.
So now it is sorted based on
is your
the age.
project
Now
going to
again
work
I'll run
out?
this.
Is a question.
I'll pass item getter the value 0.
Real time. I'm talking with respect to
Yeah.
real time.
Real time, it's little hard. Yeah, correct. Real time, it's little hard. It cannot be done in real time.
So now it is
Okay, continue.
sorted
But
based on
you can continue
the-
this.
Yes,
Right?
yes. We can continue.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, Sujatam.
name first argument. Okay. Now if
Next,
I
we'll
give
move on to
3,
the ICRT DIC 062 weather monitoring and forecasting system using IoT by Shivkumar and group. Are there?
if I give it as 2,
So next, I think
So it is
those
sorted
who have
based on-
not
you
presented
can just observe.
previously, I think if they are ready, they
the
can.
what?
They are
What
able
is
to
it?
give a
Job.
presentation.
Sorted based on
Last
the
time-
Are you
job.
ready?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am. One more. They are ready.
What
Page
we'll
is
do
ready.
is we'll
Yes, ma'am,
stop
we are
here
Smart
ready.
vending machine.
and we'll
Smart
continue
medicine
ma'am.
vending
tomorrow.
machine.
So I have
ICTRDAC
few more video
5049.
examples after this.
Yes, ma'am.
Let us stop here and
Smart
we will
medicine.
continue
Please,
tomorrow.
what's the presentation now?
So any doubts still here?
Okay, ma'am.
Hello? Any doubts still here?
No, sir.
Okay.
No, sir. Ma'am, is it visible, ma'am?
Or no? You have not shared the PPT, ma'am. Please share your PPT.
I have shared, ma'am.
So just be there until I finish taking attendance.
Is it visible, ma'am?
No.
Is it visible, ma'am?
Yeah. Now it is visible, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. Tanuja will start now.
Good afternoon, ma'am. This is Tanuja, and our paper is all about the smart medicine vending machine. And the authors are Sinchana B, Srishti CM, Tanuja, and then Tejaswini PC. We have done this project under the guidance of Vidyashri C, Assistant Professor of Department ECE from Dr. AIT College. And Medicine is an essential part for curing sickness and overseeing the interminable conditions. This is a machine which conveys the medication in crisis cases and is accessible 24/7. Here, it is extremely valuable in sparing life if any emergency occurs at parkways like remote ranges, etc. And through this machine, we can get the first help that can be made effectively. And then this machine consists of the ARM processor, which controls the RFID reader, node MCU, stock controller, and then etc. And then
16 C 17.
the automated medical system is introduced to reduce the manpower, time, and energy. Through this machine, we can reduce the manpower. And then the main aim of this prototype is that the temporary relief can be given to the people. So that they can have a better chance of
2 to
resisting
3.
their health before they are able to reach the doctor.
425.
And it ensures precautionary measures, and it is available 24/7.
54.
And then we have done a literature survey, and we have referred
17
some
CS
4 papers the first paper is all about tracking system and using GSM.
104.
In this paper, they have tracked the blood pressures of the blood pressure and the body
128 is
temperature of the
present,
patients,
129 is
so
present.
that they can keep track of their records. And in
131.
the several decades back, death rates, several
136
decades back,
is
the death rates
present.
are due to the heart disease. So keeping track of this blood pressure and the body temperature track, we can treat the patients. We can monitor the patients easily. And then the second paper is all about the ATM counter for medicine self-dispensing. In this, they have introduced only the emergency medicines like first aid kit, etc. And the third paper is all about the design and implementation of the automatic medicine dispensing machine. Here, some basics and emergency medicines are stored, and the further will be explained by Sanjana.
136 is there.
As you can see, this is the block diagram of our project.
136.
It mainly consists
Yeah,
of a
okay.
processor, which is the main
165.
controlling unit, and all the other peripherals like the display unit,
Vardhini
the
and Goda,
RFID, the
165.
keypad, the temperature sensor are all connected to the processor. And the power supply is also
17
connected
CS
to the processor
206.
in order to provide power to all these components. And the
Gagana
processor
is
is in turn connected to the dispenser and the node MCU.
17
And these are the
CS
hardware
211.
and the software requirements of our project. Now coming to the hardware requirements, first see ARM LPC2148 in detail. Next slide. ARM LPC2148 is the processor which we are going to use. ARM is a 32-bit microcontroller based on disk architecture.
17 CS
It has two 32-bit general input-output ports, out of which 28 pins can be used as either general input or output. Next one is the RFID, standing for radio frequency identification.
18 CS
It
25.
mainly composed of a RFID tag on the reader. Each
103.
tag will be having its own unique serial number as
Pallavi.
its identity, which distinguishes it from one another.
Okay.
And the
124.
RFID provides communication infrastructure between a special tag and a reader
124
device
Ravindra
over
TL
radio frequencies
is not
that
there.
can detect the tag and allows for
125 is
establishing
there.
communication
126
between
is
the
there.
devices within the
127
system.
Charan
And the
Kumar.
RFID reader will be having antennas which will
129
emit the
is
radio
there.
waves and
130,
receive signal
131 is
back
there.
from the RFID tag. Next, the RFID receiver. In this system, the RFID tag stores information regarding the patient, like the name and the prescription, etc. And the RFID reader communicates with the tag in order to retrieve this data. Next, the LCD display. The LCD display uses the light modulating property of the liquid crystal in order to display the data. The LCD which we are going to use 16:2.
So
Next one.
131 is there, 132 is there, 133.
Next one is the DC
134,
motor. As we all know,
136 is
DC
there.
motor works on the principle of converting the
137.
electrical energy into mechanical energy. It is
138.
deployed in the dispenser unit in order to
139
provide
is
the
there.
sufficient mechanical force to dispense the medicine out of the box. And relays are basically the switches which closes and opens the circuit
141
electromechanically.
is there.
Next is the
142
node
is there,
MCU.
143,
It is a low-cost
144,
IoT platform and it
145
is
is there,
based on the firmware
147,
ESP8266.
146 is not there.
ESP8266 is the Wi-Fi
147 is
module,
there,
and
148,
Node MCU has 17
149.
general input-output pins, and it has built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, and it is used in order to gain access to the Wi-Fi network to send and
150 is there,
receive messages.
151, 152,
Next, regarding the procedure
153,
will be explained by
154, 155, 157, 158.
Good afternoon. Am I audible?
Yes, Srishti.
Okay. Coming to the software part, we've used embedded C processor. Embedded C processor is used
Okay, I'll
in
call
order to
answer
code
because
the
Teams is
ARM
very slow.
processor we have been
Okay.
used. And then we have Blink.
158.
A Blink is a platform which acts as an interface
159.
between the server as well as the machine which we've created.
160.
Here, any information regarding the availabilities of the medicine or
Sujan.
any other different features can be sent to the server
161.
through Blink app. Here, the Blink app has to be
162.
installed by the server,
163.
and he has to register with the email ID through which the
Present.
code will be
164.
generated. On applying that particular code in the app, he
165.
will start getting all the information regarding the medicine, then storage,
Suraj Kiran.
temperature, and availability, so that the medicines can be restored. Similarly, for
Suraj
a
Kiran
user, the Telegram app is used, which can be displayed. These are the message which the user will receive once he also registers through the
166.
code generated in the Telegram app.
Present, sir.
Further, with
167.
procedure. Initially, the
168.
machine is designed in such a way that when it is turned on,
168 I
the
got it.
start
170,
option will be
169 is not there.
displayed, and then
170 is
the
there.
user will be given a choice to choose the
172
medicine,
is not there.
and the list of the medicines will be
173 is
displayed.
there.
And once he
174 is
enters the
there.
number of medicine, if
175
there is
is there.
if
176
the
is
availability
there.
or the
177
quantity
is
is
there.
available, then
178.
he is supposed to swipe the card. Else he
Present,
should after
178 is
swiping
there,
the card, he has to
179 is
enter
there,
the PIN
180
which
is
is
there,
available.
181 is there,
That is,
182,
then the amount will be deducted from the
185
card,
is there,
and then the medicine will be
186 is also
dispensed.
there.
If the quantity of medicine is
187
not
is not
there, then the transaction will be
188 is there,
declined. And this is
404
the
is
flow
there.
chart of how the procedure of the medicine machine will work. Further slides will be explained by Tejas.
410 is not there. 411 is there.
Good afternoon,
412
everyone.
is not
Coming to
there.
the advantages of smart medicine
415 is
vending
there,
machine,
429
it's
is
very
there.
much
Okay.
portable that it can
Thank
be
you.
easily installed in
Okay,
very
you can
dense
leave.
area,
We'll
and
join again
it
tomorrow.
provides 24/7 medicine facility. Since online transaction is involved, no fear of robbery. No individual person is needed for maintenance other than filling up of medicines. And disease name and relevant medicine will be stored in the database so that the user can mention the disease name and he can fetch the medicines. Coming to disadvantages, the main disadvantage it doesn't work without any power supply or battery. Since RFID card must be already registered and it should have adequate balance in order to fetch the medicines. Only online transaction is available. Since coin payment or through money one can't fetch the medicines. It delivers only tablets and it can't deliver any syrups or liquid medicines. Applications, it can be implemented everywhere. It is very useful in day-to-day life for common people. It can be implemented on national highways, shopping malls, and in railway stations. Conclusion, it offers a flexible and simple solution for the basic health care. This smart medicine vending machine has an intelligent unit. It sends a notification message to the nearest pharmacy when the number of medicines strips decrease below certain level, and the system is feasible. It can be easily accessed by everyone, and it can provide 24/7 facility. Future scope of this smart medicine vending machine is, we have implemented now, as of now we have implemented RFID card, so implementation can be done by using NFC card also. This medicine offers only online payment. We can do the offline payment also, like through coin payment. And one more future scope is we can deliver syrups or liquid by keeping them in a particular temperature. And these are all the
Prince is
references
angry.
we have referred, and that's it.
How many references that you have kept, ma? The base paper of yours?
4, ma'am.
Only 4.
Yes, ma'am. We have kept
Minimum
only
you
4 in
need
this.
to have at least 15, ma'am. Minimum you should have 15 references.
Yes, ma'am. Only
This
in
is the
this.
minimum.
presentation we have kept only 4, ma'am.
Which page paper you have referred, ma'am?
I'll show. Ma'am, these are all papers, ma'am.
What papers?
First one, it is by Kahitan Aziz, ma'am.
Which is the base paper that you have referred? Base paper.
Ma'am?
Which paper that you have taken the problem? Which paper you have taken the problem?
Second one, ma'am.
Second one.
Yes, ma'am.
Which year it has been published? Is it a journal or a conference? Which year you know?
I don't know, ma'am, which year.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Any questions from the audiences? Participants? And the flow of the presentation was still more better, I think. So it is like a running text what you have been given in the slides. So please do update for the slides. So it was not that much effective.
We will improve, ma'am.
Okay. The presentation is good. The thing is, you need to have the slides better, much more better than what you have done.
Yes, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Any other batch that those who have left giving the presentation, they can give the presentation. I think with a mail ID of 31 and one more it is 51. I think they have not given. So you can, if you are there, you can give.
Yes sir, you can start sir presentation.
The name of the Usha HN and group, and one more is what is that? Is the Kirti you have given. Nisarga has been given. Okay. One more, I think. Okay, one more 51 they have not given. So if they are ready, I think they can give. If not, thank you for giving the presentations.
Yeah, Chandrakala, I'm in again.
Okay, you are in again, ma'am.
Yeah,
okay,
yeah.
ma'am. I think the two IDs they have not presented, ma'am. I think you can, we can give the.
No, I'll tell you one thing. From the first sheet, I think the second one, that is 24 number.
Okay, ma'am.
24 has not presented. Am I correct?
Yes, ma'am. 51 ID, ma'am.
Then next 45.
51 ID.
51 ID also has not presented. 45 also has not presented.
Automatic waste segregator. Okay, they are with some corona, ma'am. They will not be. They have said it. I have spoken to them.
Next 62 has also not presented.
Yeah, yes, ma'am.
So
they are busy with the program.
Yeah, four papers have not been presented.